to the channel. If you dig the turtles, you come to the right place. Hi, my name is Nick. This is another unboxing video. Happens to be box number. Let's have a look to see what's inside, shall we? Okay, let's see what we've got today. On the outside this is Danish wafers, fragile. Not Danish wafers. Okay, a whole lot of optical drives. Let's pull them out, shall we? That's all the drives I've got. So I'll sort out how many there are here. Now these used to be popular, obviously people aren't using SuperDrives anymore, so it's just people who are restoring their iMac, restoring their PowerBook, restoring their MacBook, and they want the original drive to go into the machine. With the serial number, there's a EEE code there, and this EEE code will either be 3MTJTC. I'll work all that out anyway, and I'll explain how this EEE code gets calculated, or how it gets worked out. Pulled out of a MacBook 2.26. These all Panasonic drives all start with UJ and then 825. So I've got two of those. UJ 875, I actually would have purchased that, but these would have been pulled out of iMacs. It's got the bezel still, so probably we'll sort that out in a second. These are combo drives, and these would have been pulled out of iMac G5s, 8123, so CW8123C and 857, so it's a UJ857C, UJ846, pulled out of iMacs. Now these actually went into PowerBooks as well. These are Pioneer drives, and they have a DVR K04PC, K05PE, and there is a K06 as well, which are in certain drives but not in this lot here. One sort of combo over there. These are all Apple drives other than some of these third-party ones I purchased when I was going through a lot of these. UJ85J, these would have been the later ones, and that's a non-Apple one. Another 85J, and again, these are non-Apple, purchased to put into machines. Still got the things. That's those two 85Js. We've got sensors and screws in here. There's a whole lot of screws and sensors. We'll go through those one by one. Must have been strong. A whole lot more screws and sensors in there. I'll have to open those up and sort those out as well. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. It wasn't the all-natural Danish wafers. I did have on the side of the box Opticals. I know where it came from too. So that's what's listed in there. Also had something a little bit organised in this one. Till the next one.